Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the adjustable burger press by GugaFoods, a premium brand created by renowned chef Gustavo Tosta, who is an expert in all things barbecue, meat, and burgers. That's why we're really excited to bring you his most popular and best-selling item. So let's jump right into it. Now, unlike other burger presses, this one is special because not only is it going to give you the perfect burger shape, but more importantly, the burger thickness as well. Now, you could choose between 3 different burger thicknesses. You could get the thickest at 1/2 inch, then you could get a 1/4 inch, or you can smash your burger as thin as you want. Now, GugaFoods made it super easy to switch between the burger sizes. All you'll need to do is twist to unlock and then flip the ring. Then lock it back into place. Now, if you want the smash burger, all you need to do is remove the ring entirely. Now, as a bonus, you're also going to get 50 sheets of parchment paper. This is super awesome because it's going to help prevent your burger from sticking to the press, and it's going to help with cleanup. So as I said, this is a premium restaurant quality burger press made of polished stainless steel. And trust me, you're really gonna feel that heft and weight when you pick it up, which is something you really want in a burger press. Just imagine the delicious and mouth-watering burgers you can make with this press. And you can make this one right at home because Guga even included his life-changing burger recipe right on the box. But what's best of all is our incredible low price that you can only get at pulsetv.com. So head on over there and grab yours today.